the way that Amazon structures its marketplaces is it tends to group them together. So, for instance, here in Australia, the fee that you pay to Amazon, $49, whatever it is, to sell on Amazon here in Oz, also gives you access to sell on Amazon in Japan. So the one platform, amazon.com.au, also gives you access to Amazon Japan as well at no extra charge. Okay, and I suspect when New Zealand launches, it will also give you access to New Zealand, and that's probably how they'll do that. And the same is true across other platforms as well. So right now, Amazon.com in the States also gives you access to Amazon.ca in Canada, and also gives you access to Amazon.mx in Mexico. So you get access to those platforms, nothing more to pay. Same for the UK. The UK, Amazon.co.uk, also gives you access to the EU, because you also get access to Amazon in Germany, in France, in Spain, in Italy, etc., etc. So you get those as part and parcel of it. Now, what you want to do to get that is go to services.globalselling.com. I think that's it. Services@globalselling.com. Oh, I must have it a little bit wrong. Let's have a look. There we go. That's it. There you go. So, and that's where you go and find out much more about all that. And it's important to say as well, there are a few marketplaces that only give you access to that marketplace. That's India, China, and Brazil. So they only give you access to those marketplaces, nothing else. And that's because of the way the banking systems is set up in those countries. So it's all a function of that. But it's a great way of doing things. You apply through global selling, and then it's all included into your account. Nothing more to pay, and it's brilliant. Keep in mind, by the way, that if you sell on Amazon.com, you can set up your shipping settings in Amazon.com to ship right around the world. So you can, theoretically, from Amazon.com, sell everywhere in the world, that of course where you can get products into at least, if you want to. I'm not saying it's the best way to do it. I don't think it's the best way to do it, but theoretically you can do that as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.